Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing another project pan with you guys, and today is going to be, I'm going to call it more of a self-care project pan because it's going to include skincare, body care, and hair care. I already have my sample project pan, and then I'm also doing my makeup project pan, and then this is the third one that I will be doing. I did this project a little bit differently because I wanted to challenge myself to use prompts. I decided to do the alphabet, so I am trying to pick a product for every letter, but instead of picking all of those products up front, I'm going to do a rolling style. So I'm going to do 7 at a time and just kind of randomly pick a letter to go with, and then find an item in those categories that goes with that letter, and then that's what I'm going to be working on. We're going to start with A, which I have a fragrance for, and this is the Aquilina Pink Sugar fragrance, and the Aquilina is what starts with A that I'm using for that letter. And this is pretty full. I'll have to mark it for you guys, but this is pretty full, and the color I feel like has definitely changed. Like right now I feel like it's more of like a yellowy kind of orangey color, and I don't think it used to be. And I've had this for a while. I love the scent. It is very sugary scented, but I want to go through this and not just waste it and hoard it and then have it go completely bad on me if it hopefully hasn't already. So this is the first product that I will be working on in this project. Next letter that was randomly chosen was C. So I am going to be using the Cetaphil body lotion. This is the Cetaphil Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion. I've already worked on a little bit. It still feels pretty full though. I'm not really able to see where this is. If I can figure it out, then I will mark it so that we can see and compare it to next time. Another thing that I am hoping to have for the next update is some kind of scale so that I can weigh the products, same as within my makeup project pan as well. I'm hoping to be able to weigh them so that I can give you some kind of difference each update. For the letter L, I'm going to be using this product here. This is an acne product from Roche-Posay, and it's the Effaclar Duo Action Acne Treatment, and I chose this one for the letter L because of the brand name. I think I'm going to be doing the brand name for the alphabet letter to kind of coordinate it with. I think that kind of just makes the most sense, and it's a little bit easier for me. So I'm going to be using this. I have already started using this. I'm not sure 100% where I'm at in this. Again, I will mark this if I can. I'm trying to hold it up to the light and see. I feel like I should be able to mark this one so that we can kind of compare from now and a month from now. The letter M, which I pulled this skincare item here. This is from Mario Badescu. This is their Rose Hips Nourishing Oil, and I have already started using this one as well. I really enjoy using this before I apply my moisturizer. I usually use it day and night, but now I think I'm just going to be using it in the daytime because I have a night serum from my sample project pan that I'm going to be working on. I'm about right here, so about right where this sticker ends. Letter N ended up being next, so yeah, I have LMN, and for that one I chose Not Your Mother's. This is the Blonde Moment Purple Shampoo. This I don't use all the time. Like I use this maybe like once a week, so this one might be a little bit more slowly gone through, and this one I can't see through the packaging either, so this one we're just gonna kind of have to maybe go by weight eventually, but it still feels pretty full. I've used it a couple of times, maybe like 4 or 5 times so far, so I'm going to be introducing this into the project. The next letter that was chosen was T. So I chose Tresemme, and this is the Between Washes Style Refresh All-in-One Spray. And I've been actually trying to work on this for a while now, and I really want this to be used up. Like it's kind of an extra step in my hair care routine after a shower, and I feel like it's almost not necessary, but I don't want to waste the product. I just want to use it up. So there we go. I can put it into this project and hopefully get it used up sooner because I will focus on it more. And this one, again, it's a black container, so I can't see through. I don't know where I'm at. I have a feeling that I'm pretty low on this one. All right, so last one, my 7th product. The letter that we chose was Y. And I actually had this, which is Yes to Cucumbers, which I thought was like perfect for that letter. And this is the Calming Toner. So I actually had this in my project that I did last year. And so this is kind of a rollover product that's going to be in a project this year. And so I do have a line here that was from where I left off last year. I didn't do like an end of the year update for my project pan. I kind of ended it. I feel like I ended it like in November or something like that, or at the end of November, beginning of December. So I have actually been working on this for a full month without marking the progress. So I have made a lot of progress since then. So let me go ahead and mark this real quick, and this one I can show you. This is where we were at last time at the end of the last project pan, and now I'm all the way down to here. So that is a good amount that I used up. I think I should be able to actually finish up the rest of this, like this much, by the end of this month. I'm hoping to at least roll in a new product as we go, each month as we go, and hopefully I can get through every letter in the alphabet. That's the goal for this one, and not necessarily like a numbers goal. I hope you guys found this video fun and interesting. If you like project pans, stick around. I've got 3 of them. I'll be doing updates every month on all of them, so you can come back and see how I'm doing. If you are doing a project pan, let me know down below. I love watching them. And what product are you trying to use up this year? All right, have a wonderful, beautiful day. I'll see y'all later. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye.